Hi guys, this is a message which is specific for India. I'm just before it's completely formed. I'm telling you. See, India, we have a peculiar problem. Everybody who has the coronavirus or is suspected of it should not go to get tested. India has 1.4 billion people. Okay, and the kits we have is less than 150,000 at this point of time. This is a very important point. So we are just giving you the gist of our discussion. So the coronavirus infection will be asymptomatic or will be mild only, like a respiratory viral fever for 85% of the population. So anybody who has a flu or a cold, the first thing you do is isolate yourself and follow your symptoms. First, you will have the contact with the virus. On day 0, you will just feel a little fatigued. On day 3, you might have a mild fever with cough and an itchy throat. Day 4, a mild headache on and off. Day 5, you might have some gastrointestinal symptoms like diarrhea or cramps, along with headache, and your fever might be normal or it might increase. Day 6, day 7, you will feel more body pain. Headaches will reduce, diarrhea might increase or might reduce, but you will still have an upset stomach, like loss of appetite like symptoms. Now here it's what is very important. Now day 8, most of your symptoms will reduce on day 8 and day 9. That is where you have to keep watching. Your symptoms will reduce to lower fever, lower body pain, your energy will come back. Only your cough will persist with your running nose, which means that you are somebody who has resisted corona and have already formed resistance to it, and your body is improving. Now you do not have to get tested for the COVID virus now, because your antibodies have already formed. If somebody on day 8 and day 9, instead of starting to feel better, see, all of you have been sick with the flu, so you have to remember how it was. You know how it is when you know that you're improving from the flu. It is extremely important that you decide. If if your flu is getting worse, even in a common flu, like from a flu, if it goes into a pneumonia, you know what to do. So what you do is, if you feel like it is going to worsen than improve, then you call the COVID-19 helpline and go get it tested. Because India has only 150,000 tests at this point of time, we might be able to get a maximum of 1.5 million only. So we cannot afford to test everybody who is having just flu at 3 days or 2 days. It will become a disaster. So from the Rotary's point of view, as educated, informed citizens, I would advocate all of you to wait, follow the symptomatology which I gave you, and if it is worsening only, go to get yourself tested. Please do this. Testing should not be done as soon as you're afraid. We do not have enough tests. Like now, my hospital is struggling to get N95 masks. I have been telling for the last 4 months, India, please don't wear masks. Masks are scarce now. Health workers do not have it. So please do not waste the blood tests also. It will become a disaster for India. Thank you. Thanks for listening. Hope it was informative, guys. Please do the needful.